check, you can go get the one for $1867.09.
Well, you're going to owe me money because I'm going to give you this check. This is cash.
That's fine, but I would rather you take that and get it for the exact amount.
You're going to owe me money. We're not going back and forth anymore.
Can you give him the difference, Bobby, or no?
I mean,
you don't have.
You're certified check.
You're that broke. I've got cash sitting here.
Kent, I'm not broke.
You're that broke.
Ken, hang on, Ken. I understand where he's coming from, but
I mean, I just think it would be easier.
yeah,
it ain't going to be easier.
That's fine. It's a certified check.
Hey,
It's
you working
on a
with us.
check, and you can take it to my bank and cash it.
I'll accept your check.
Well, my check will be fine.
Yeah, I'll accept your check. Unlike you,
I accept your check as well, as long as it's a cashier's check.
baloney.
I don't accept checks here, Ken.
All right.
A lot of businesses don't accept checks.
all right. I'll accept your check.